I'm Dan Harville. How do you turn any statement in Thai into a question? One magic word, and we're going to look at it here. My, we've seen this tone marker before, shaped kind of like a little divot or a bowl. It's a rising tone. My,
ไหม ไหม
ไหม
my turns whatever is in front of it into a question. So, sabai means, hey, everything's good. Sabai, right? Everything's groovy, everything's hip, everything's happening. Sabai, but then you go, my. So, is everything good? Is everything fine? Is everything groovy? My it's critical that you get this tone right to make it a question word, because there are 5 tones that you can put on the word my, and it means 7 different things. So you've got to get the tones just right. In fact, as you can see here, the first meaning of the word my makes the sentence a question. The second meaning of the word my means silk. TheThaiLanguage.com, where you can get a 14-phrase free PDF. All right, cool.